Welcome back to Smart English, your peaceful space to learn English slowly, lovingly, and without pressure. Here, we don't memorize rules. We understand patterns. We don't chase perfection. We grow with confidence.
And today's topic is something many learners fear: grammar. But don't worry, we're not opening any grammar book. No rules, no formulas, no confusion. Instead, we'll explore the heart of English, the simple patterns that native speakers use naturally every single day. And once you understand these patterns, English becomes light, simple, and clear.
Segment 1. Grammar is patterns, not rules. Let's start with a gentle truth. Grammar isn't a monster. It's a rhythm. Like music. You understand music without studying it, right? The same way you can learn English grammar by feeling it.
Listen to these 3 sentences. I walk. I am walking. I will walk. No rules needed. Your brain naturally feels that one is now, one is happening at this moment, and one is in the future.
This is the beauty of English. Your mind already knows the meaning when you listen calmly. Segment 2. Pattern 1. I plus verb. Simple present.
This is the simplest and most powerful pattern in English. I plus verb. I eat. I work. I study. I feel good. I like this. I need help.
These sentences are small but strong. You don't need to think. You don't need to translate. Your mind understands directly.
Use this pattern when you talk about daily habits, routines, feelings, thoughts. It makes your English clean and confident.
Segment 3. Pattern 3. I am plus ing. Right now.
The ing pattern is one of the easiest in English. Just say, I am plus verb ing. I am talking. I am learning. I am relaxing. I am listening to this podcast.
This pattern tells the listener, I am doing this right now. It is simple, natural, and used constantly in real conversations. Listen carefully. You don't need grammar rules like present continuous. Just feel the meaning. ing means happening now. Segment 4. Pattern 4. I will plus verb.
Now let's gently move to the future. The pattern is I will plus verb. I will go. I will call you. I will try again. I will do it tomorrow.
This is how native speakers talk about decisions, promises, or future plans. No rule, no confusion, just a clean, simple pattern. Segment 5. The magic of combining patterns. Now, let's combine everything you learned. Listen to this mini story. I learn English every day. I am learning now. I will learn again tomorrow.
That's it. You just used present, happening now, and future, all without a single rule. Only patterns.
Segment 6. Pattern 4. I have plus noun.
Here's another soft and simple pattern that you hear everywhere. I have plus noun. I have time. I have an idea. I have a question. I have a problem.
This pattern is useful in conversations, meetings, and daily life. Clear, short, powerful. Segment 7. I want to plus verb.
This is a beautiful pattern because it shows intention. I want to learn. I want to help. I want to speak better. I want to travel.
When you add to plus verb, your English suddenly becomes more expressive. Real practice, slow and calm. Slowly. Repeat softly after me. I learn English. I am learning English now. I will learn English tomorrow. I have time to practice. I want to speak confidently.
Beautiful. You just built real grammar with natural flow, without stress.
Remember, grammar is not rules. It is sound, rhythm, and pattern. The more you listen, the more natural it becomes.
Keep your English simple. Speak slowly. Repeat patterns, and your fluency will grow peacefully.
Thank you for spending this time with us on Smart English. In our next episode, we will talk about how to speak English without hesitation.
Until then, stay kind to yourself, stay consistent, and always remember,
Smart, English.
where learning feels smart
Smart
and simple.